Ready?
Yeah, so you're looking pretty good. Beyond West Coast Supercross, what are some of your plans this year?
My New Year's resolution is, a hero of mine's always been Travis Pastrana, and he does the X Games and motocross, or used to anyway, but really one of my lifelong ambitions is to ride X Games. So today I'm going to show you guys one of the hardest tricks that I know. It's, I don't even know if anyone's ever seen it, but I'm going to, being a nice guy, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And what it is, I've never actually even done it, but what it is you take off the ramp, or dirt, whichever you prefer. You go off the jump in a neutral position. You can stand up, you can sit down, I'll let you make that call. But anyways, both hands on the grips, both feet on the pegs. I can't put both feet on the pegs because I'm standing on the ground. But anyways, take off the jump, not take off, like jump it. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take gradually, not a fast motion, but in one motion, take your hands off the handlebars, like this. And I mean, you don't want to just like, do that. What is that? That's not a no-hander, that's like a readjustment, okay? You want to point them straight out, like this, like you're flying, alright? Because the judges really love the fact that you're having some hang time. They don't want to see something up here. That's for little girls, okay? So you just, extension, right? Once you're done with your extension, bring it back. But what you want to do, you want to make sure that handlebar has a good, I preferably tighten my head bolt and make it harder so it won't move and wiggle. That's personal preference. That's personal preference. But anyway, make sure that you come back good to the handle grip. Don't want to hit these things. No, sir, that's bad news. I don't know what it's like to hit the clutch, but I hear it's bad. Okay, so after you're done with the no-hander, you come back, and then you come back for more. This is called a fender smack. It's called a no-hander suicide or fender smack. That's it for my extravagant tech tip, trick tip, okay? Now, but seriously, big race this weekend, Anaheim won. It's go time. Serious face now. Be fun. Love everybody.